Our building has an on-site caretaker. Some owners are concerned about the legality of this engagement. There is concern about the possibility that the strata may be in contravention of superannuation laws and may become liable for long-term leave and back payment of other leave should the contract be terminated. The caretaker is employed on a contract and has an ABN. He's paid bi-weekly on a submission of an invoice. He does not work for any other entity. He provides his own equipment to perform his tasks, but is reimbursed for costs incurred, example, garden items, maintenance items, etc. He lives on site in an apartment provided for him by the strata. He's not required to be on site personally and is permitted to employ a replacement person to be available. He must work 4.5 hours per day, Monday to Friday, and 2.5 hours on Saturday. The hours are not specified. The contract provides for a 90-day notice period. He's paid a fixed annual amount. From this, the monthly market-related rent is deducted for the apartment in which he resides. He's paid no super contributions. He's given no annual sick leave or annual leave, and he accrues no long service leave. Is there any irregularities with this arrangement?
Yes. I strongly encourage the owners in this scheme to refer to the Fair Work Act and actually seek legal advice around this matter. Yeah, I'm not an employment lawyer or specialist in that field, but the warning bells that are going off for me is that he doesn't work for another entity and that he has fixed hours on site. I'm not going to say any more than that, but I would really encourage the owners here to quickly seek some advice on this. There could be some significant ramifications and liabilities that they may incur.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you, Scott. That might be a bit of a warning bell for other people out there that are in similar situations as well.
Yeah, it's always a difficult one. Owners, I don't think, appreciate what it means when they employ a caretaker or an employee for the strata company, but effectively they become an employee of all the owners, and the owners have an obligation as an employer to adhere to the Fair Work Act, particularly around how they're managed and any concerns or breaches that may come up. So it's not a simple matter to just say, I'm going to terminate you. You can't do that to your staff. You actually have to go through workplace management requirements, you have to handle it very carefully.